Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, already we completed unit first section A and B. Even C also we completed. C, it was a poem deep in our refrigerator. Okay. So in today's class we are going to discuss the question answers of this sweet poem. So I will read the question from the textbook and even I will read the answers here. So what you have to do, you have to listen it carefully, you have to watch it properly, and after finishing of this video you have to write down it. Okay, I will send you PDF also, so it will helpful to you. So let's see, the first question is, yes, interpreting the poem. Let's hear. Interpreting the poem. Okay, in that question A is there, answer these questions. So answer this, you have to answer the following questions. Here choose the correct option. This is not there, only question answers are there. So here first question is, does the poet's family eat the food that has been in the refrigerator for a while? Give reason for your answers. So, does the poet's family eat? Yes, poet's family was eating or no? So, answer is no. No, the poet's family does not eat the food that has been in the refrigerator for a while, as it is too old to eat but also not old enough to throw away. So she was not eating, but also what they told here, reason we have to tell them. So reason why, because it was too old and nobody could eat it. Okay, so she was throwing out of the fridge, but actually poet is thinking or narrator is thinking, no, it was not enough to throw away. Got it? Next, come to the second question. How long does the food remain in the fridge? How long? Yes, do you have any idea? Yes, so here answer is there. The food remains in the fridge till it turns into a nasty mass of slime and begins to stink. So, till it was, see, very bad condition, nasty mass, nasty mass, and even begin to stink. It was too much uh, destroyed, means it was totally not to use, we can't eat, and it was the very bad condition. Yes, so unpleasant touch also, unpleasant taste also. Okay, so it was remaining very late. Here third question, what happens to the food in the refrigerator after a month? Okay, after a month, what happened? See here. Answer is, over the time the food develops clumps of mold over it, and after a month it turns into a nasty mass of slime that gives out a foul smell. Okay, so it was very dirty smell and it was totally nasty mass, and even it was useful to throw. Okay, next fourth question, when does the poet's mother decide that it is time to get rid of it? Okay, it is time to get rid means to throw. When she was thinking? Yes, answer here, when the food becomes a foul smelling mass of slimes, the poet's mother decides that it is finally time to throw it away. When it was, see, becoming a dirty smell, even foul smell, mass on slime, that time she was thinking or deciding just to throw away. Next, fifth question, what does she do after dumping it in the garbage? Yes, what she was doing? Yes, so answer is, the poet's mother replaces the stale food with food that is not so old yet, and the cycle goes on. So she was replacing with the new foods, new fruits, new foods, and she was just doing this recycling. Means recycle means what? Again and again, old, when it will become the old, she was throwing into the garbage, and again this refrigerator she was just filling with the another and fresh fruits and food. Got it? So here these are the question answers. Now we have the B question, that is think and answer. So here I have written the answers. So what you have to do? Yes, you can think and you can write your own answers. Okay, let me read. So there is the first question. Why is the poem called Deep in Our Refrigerator? What is the reason why they given the name or this poem Deep in Our Refrigerator? Why? See here answer. The poem is named so because the poet's mother stores the stale food deep inside the fridge until it rots completely. Okay, until it rots completely. So they given a name for this poem, that is Deep in Our Refrigerator, because she was keeping it deep inside. Okay, inside to the fridge, and it she was keeping deep till it become roast. Next, the second question. Why do you think mother is reluctant to throw the food away? Why? Why you are thinking? Yes, so here answer. The poet's mother was reluctant to throw the food as it was not so old and it could still be eaten. Okay, so poet's mother, poet is thinking it was not too old to throw, but her mother, she used to throw this. Okay, next, here discuss in the class. So nowadays we are online classes, so you can discuss this question with your friends also. Now again there on page number 21 appreciation is there. In appreciation you have question. When reading the poem you will notice that alternate lines rhymes. Can you pick out the pairs of rhyming words? So rhyming words are there. So when you are reading this poem you can get the rhyming words, yes, in the alternative line of the poem. So you have to find out here. So here you can get the answer. Yes, see here. So here answer is there. Place case, say away, cold mold, well smell, slime time, and regret yet. So these are here rhyming words. Now the B question, what they told? Image here. Imagery is using words that create the mental sensory pictures. Pick out the words, phrases that the poet uses effectively to convey the visual message, visual image of the rotting food. So here, which words they use here? Fuzzy clumps of the multicolored mold, nasty mass of slime, and certain special smell. These words they use for the rotting foods. Okay. Next, again with that you have the life skill activity. Yes, so you have to find out what is a good way to store the food in such a refrigerator. Match the part in the column A with the food in the column B. So here column A they given food items, and in B also they given, see their meaning. Yes, so you have to where to store it. So you have to match it properly. So which food is keeping or which side or where to keep. Now here see freezer. In the freezer what you can keep? Yes, frozen food and ice cream. So frozen food you can keep in the freezer. So see, you have refrigerator, then you can't keep however you want. So there is a way. Yes, you can use the proper refrigerator or use of the refrigerator in proper way. So in the freezer section you can keep frozen food and ice cream. Next, the top of the shelf what you can keep? Eggs, milk and curd. Then in the middle shelf you can keep leftovers cooked food, okay, in middle. Then the bottom shelf you can keep the fruits, and crisper drawer is there, so in the drawer you can keep the vegetables. And the door, in the door also lots of compartments you can get, so in that you can keep uh, condiments, butter, or fruit juice. So you can keep such a manner in the fridge. Got it? So here we completed the exercise part of this poem, Deep in Our Refrigerator. Okay, watch this video thoroughly and write down question answers related this poem. Okay, and complete your fair book and send it to me. Okay, till thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.